other video?
I don't know what you're talking about. You look really white though.
When doesn't she in pictures?
I don't know, it's weird. You look like really pale. You look pretty white too. With your extremely long nails.
So mean.
Huh.
What?
Driving lesson. This is exciting. Oh my. The excitement never ends. Attractive. So how are you enjoying that sandwich? Get up in there. Yeah. Attractive.
Yeah.
Close up. Close up. I was too close to the sandwich to get it. It was just a blur.
She's sniffing.
Alright. I didn't know you loved your sandwich so much.
Will disappear soon.
Man.
Yeah.
Subway. You're still in the picture. I don't know what you're doing.
Trying to move.
That guy is so fine.
You know, it's time today, the 4. Looked better yesterday.
You guys are stupid.
No, we're not.
Stupid? I think not.
I know.
He's really hot.
Nope. Not really.
Yep, not really.
You guys are blind.
The one that we
Yeah.
saw before we came here was
Yep.
Who?
the guy wearing all black and the shorts.
What guy?
Number 10.
Yeah.
My baby who didn't know he was my
The one
father.
in that pizza place?
Yes.
Oh.
I swear. He's my baby daddy. You just don't even know.
You didn't even have a baby.
I know.
Well,
So black.
well, if I did have a baby daddy, then he would be it. Rest assured. Sure about that? Yep.
He doesn't even know your name.
I know.
You don't know my name. I'm gonna be singing that randomly.
Having fun there?
Yep.
Really?
Little do.
What are you doing?
I'm on the table.
So quiet now. Are you mad at your sandwich now? Like yesterday? No.
Oh, look, a fan. Somebody texting? Tatiana, the puffy green one? Ew. Well, I thought she'd like it. Excuse me. What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm sure boredom.
Fight.
No, not really.
Seriously, I thought she'd like it.
Like what?
You know that little puffy Ninja Turtle backpack we saw at Hot Topic?
Oh yeah, that one?
Yeah, I thought Tatiana likes the Ninja Turtle.
Just stare at a road with somebody wearing all pink again.
She looks scary.
Who?
That girl wearing all pink, that lady.
Well, it's walking weird?
Yeah.
This is why she's
She's doing like a pink walk.
She's
Text like a
such
weirdo.
nerd. I'm kidding.
I'm not farming yet.
Really?
It's not funny. Ah, man.
That's serious business.
It is serious business. I'm
How is
telling you.
it serious business?
It just is.
How?
Oh, yes, I'm going to give this one to Jose. Playing the bass is not exciting. There you go.
Okay. I can't zoom out.
Your sandwich is disappearing slowly.
Look at her very bony fingers.
My fingers aren't even bony.
Yeah.
They are.
You can practically see your bones right now.
I have to cough.
I was coughing.
Check out the sandwich with a bunch of mayonnaise in it.
Look at that booty.
What are you talking about?
I think he's on a cigarette.
Yeah.
I was talking about the sandwich. It's
Oh.
like this.
Yeah.
Sure. Let's go with
You guys
that.
are- okay. Why are you doing that guy?
I don't know. I didn't even know that was him. That he was there. Yeah. I am so bored. Check out Lily with her puffy hair
Nope. I think I broke something.
and her skunk / backpack.
Her dead cat hat.
Oh, that's really sad now.
Look what you did to me.
Oh, it looks better on camera.
Well, you know, everything looks better on camera.
And check out the shirt that some geek got all scared about.
He said that my shirt enraged him.
Yeah.
You can believe this.
And he thought it was like some corporation or whatever.
Yes. And he said that he was from the internet and that apps were something called Technotrons or something, I don't know.
Yeah.
It's pretty funny.
Yeah.
How much we got on there?
I don't know.
Minutes?
I have no clue. Oh,
6 minutes.
yeah.
It's a long video.
I know.
But it's funny.
Yeah. It's a bunch of random stuff.
Yeah, there you go. We're gonna make the kite video too.
Okay.
To make some kites.
Yep. Oh, she also has a tail.
Oh yes. Excuse me.
See, Cody, so.
Oh, excuse me. Were you eating? Whoopsie.
I bet all the guys are happy now.
But she showed us her boobs and her butt.
Hey, I did no such thing.
Yeah, you did.
Don't give them my shirts.
Don't be indecent, Stephanie.
What are you talking about? You're thinking the same way.
Maybe.